Skoda has globally unveiled the 4th generation Fabia hatchback. Compared to the previous generation, it has grown bigger in size, offers new engine transmission options, and is equipped with more safety features. The Fabia flaunts a completely new design which is sportier and in line with newer Skodas like the Octavia. There's the traditional Skoda butterfly grille, sharper LED headlamps, mesh air intake grille, wraparound LED tail lamps, and new alloy wheels ranging from 14 inches to 18 inches. The sharp creases and upright stance make it look quite dominating. The refreshed cabin looks equally premium with copper inserts and stitching. The first thing you might notice is the 2-spoke steering wheel, which is getting common in Skoda cars. Other interior bits include a 10.25-inch fully digital instrument cluster, a freestanding 9.2-inch touchscreen infotainment system, and large circular AC vents. The new generation Fabia boasts of many radar-based safety features. Safety is covered by up to 9 airbags, travel assist, steering assist, adaptive cruise control, lane assist, blind spot detection, park assist, a rear parking camera, and brake assist. For the first time, the Fabia has grown past the 4-meter mark. It is 4,108 mm long, 1,780 mm wide, and has a wheelbase of 2,564 mm. The length has increased by 111 mm, width by 48 mm, and the wheelbase by 94 mm. The boot space has also increased by 50 liters to 380 liters now. So far, only petrol engines are being offered in the new Fabia, and the company has not yet offered the diesel engine options. There are 3 engine options on offer. The first option is 1.0-liter 3-cylinder MPI naturally aspirated petrol unit that makes either 65 brake horsepower and 80 brake horsepower. This engine is equipped with 5-speed manual gearbox. The second engine option, 1.0-liter 3-cylinder TSI turbo petrol, gives the output of 94 brake horsepower or 110 brake horsepower. And the third engine option is a 1.5-liter TSI 4-cylinder turbo petrol unit that gives an output of 150 brake horsepower and 250 Newton meters of peak torque. This engine option is equipped with 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox.